Okay, we have the eccentric and pair cam here, so let's do the hex cam. So we'll come down here to hex and we'll put it there. There it is. And again, we're going to want to rotate this so it's a little more consistent with the orientation we're putting in. This guy is also a little big, so let's go to the change configuration and go to 1.5 again. Maybe we should have chosen 1.5, but still we wouldn't have had the opportunity to do that cool step there that we just did. So let's go ahead and attach this guy with a fasten mate. And it's going to be right there to right there. And the offset, recall, is always so 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches, and then the 1/8 of an inch. So let's put 3.125. 3.125. Puts it right under there. That's what we want. So let's accept that and have a look. And now let's come over here and see if we can get it to behave. So we'll go to the tangent mate. We'll go there and let's try right there. Oh, it doesn't go down. Let's try this. Let's go here with the tangent mate. How about the face? So it went there. Let's try this again. We'll go with the tangent mate here, and so I'm on the edge there. Looks like it came down. Let's try that. Let's see what happens. So let's animate, and this is going to be look like something like this. And it can't work. I think I know why. So we've changed the configuration of this guy by using the change configuration, but now I think we need to make a slightly bigger change. So I'm going to come over here to edit in context. So I'm going to see if this works. I'm going to edit it. So now I'm back in the essentially kind of like the Hex Part Studio. And the key here is that these edges here are a problem for the tangent mate. So we're going to come over here to the fillet tool, and we're going to take a very small fillet, like how about 0.025, just some number that's quite small, and we're going to fillet each corner there, and we're going to see if that's enough to make the tangent mate and Onshape happy. So there we go. Let's accept that. You won't be able to see that really. So we haven't really changed the fundamental nature of the hex cam. Alright, so we might need to redo that mate there. But let's see what happens. Will it go? It won't go. Okay, so I'm going to come down here and I'm going to change this fasten mate. I'm going to rename it to hex. And then I'm going to delete this tangent mate. It's kind of fussy. And so I'm going to pull it up and we're going to try this again with these smoothing fillets. So let's see. Tangent there, and let's go with the edge there, just like we did with the other ones. And now, fingers crossed, animate. Still won't work. Let's try this. Let's delete that tangent mate. Let's come up here, and let's try the tangent mate from here to the face. And see if that makes it happy. Okay, here we go. And we'll go to animate, and let's just see if it goes. Still doesn't go. So let's delete that tangent mate, and let's go back in here, right click, edit in context. What we're going to do is we're going to change all these fillets to a little bigger. What if we said was 0.1? Well, that really, let's try 0.1. So let's accept that, and now go to the assembly. There we go. So now it's even smoother. Let's go back down to, oh, we don't have a tangent mate there, so this one should move. There we go. And let's try it again. So here's our tangent mate there, and I'm just going to go to the face. Doesn't like that. Okay. I am going to try that again to here, and then to the edge. Okay, it's happy with that. All right, fingers crossed. Well, let's see if I can turn it. I can. Okay. So let's go and right click, animate, fingers crossed. Still doesn't like that. Why doesn't it like that? Let's delete that tangent mate. And did I miss one? I don't think so. Let's try it one more time with a different. So here we'll go to the bottom. What if we like put it right there? This really shouldn't matter this much. No, it won't go. So it looks like we're not going to be able to do that one. So let's come over here and delete that. Well, let's try this. Let's edit in place again, edit in context, and let's go to these fillets and let's make it bigger. 0.25. All right, now let's try it. Tangent mate from there to there, and now it'll work. Okay, so we had too much curvature in that Hex Cam, so let's animate this guy, and there he goes. So remember, high frequency, low amplitude is the name of the game for the Hex Cam. And so it looks like it's behaving okay. So this goes to show that there is some finessing at times for these mates that involve motion, so you should keep that in mind. And now that we've got this fixed, we're ready to move on.